Hi guys, this is Dr. Clarice with Zona Physical Therapy and Wellness. I'm going to show you how you can use a foam roller to mobilize your quadricep muscles, especially when you have knee pain. So your quadricep muscles are a group of 4 muscles in the front of your thigh. They really get tight when you have knee pain. So as you can see in this video, you would just take the foam roller, throw it on the ground, and roll back and forth, rolling the sides, rolling the front of the thigh. Back and forth. You can use your arms to help you get some support. Foam rollers are really easy to find. You can find foam rollers on Amazon. You can find them in your local Walmart also. And there's some that are smoother. The one I'm using in the video is kind of rough, and this one can be really painful, especially if your quadricep muscles are really sensitive. So actually here we're kind of going a little bit along the side, the lateral aspect of the thigh. And yep, thanks for watching.